Israel Defense Forces spokesperson Daniel Hagari said on Monday that the army has switched to a new and less intensive phase of military operation in Gaza. He also said the IDF has been reducing the number of its troops in Gaza since earlier this month and will continue to do so. And now the focus of the IDF will be Hamas militants in central and southern Gaza, for example, in the city of Khan Younis. Lebanon Hezbollah confirmed on Monday afternoon that one of its senior commanders was killed in a strike in southern part of the country. It is widely reported and believed that the strike was conducted by Israel.
To the increasing hostilities, heavy bombardment, and raging battles, 10.9 internally displaced Palestinians face the danger of diseases, famine, and lack of medical aid and equipment. The humanitarian scene in Gaza is still chaotic, with many international organizations such as the UN and the WHO continue demanding an immediate ceasefire to allow rescue organizations complete their mission.